Okay, so welcome back, guys. This is Madhav PVL, and in this video, we are going to see how we can just launch a static uh, elastic container in a ECS in AWS. So let's get started. Yeah, John. Now, first click on this elastic container service. Yeah. Okay, so after clicking on, so basically to create a elastic container, we need to first create a cluster. So let's click on the cluster, which is towards the left side. Yeah. So now create a cluster. So yeah, as we are using a free tier account and we are using a Fargate services in Linux operating system. So we require only this networking only. So let us click on this networking only and click on the next step. Yeah, that's the thing. So now, as we need to just name the cluster, so we will just name the cluster as all the cats. All the cats. No, we shouldn't give any space. ALLTHECATs. Yeah. So now let's just click on the create. We can just leave it as it is. So yeah, no need to create all these things. Yeah. Finally, the cluster has been created successfully. So now let's just click on the view cluster. So now we can just see the cluster has nothing. So further, if we need to just create a task, we need to create task definition. So now let's just get into the task definition, which is towards your left side. Yeah. So now create new task definition. So as I had said before, we need to use this Fargate for the creation of a elastic container. So now let's create a Fargate and next step. Yeah. So now task definition is container of cats without any spaces and caps, container of cats. Yeah. So now we can leave the task role as no need to do anything. But as we can see the operating system family, and we can just use this Linux operating system. Yeah. Now let's get a bit more, and then we can just see the task memory, right, in GB. So we need to just use our task memory of 1 GB now at particular in this particular thing. We can use 1 GB, and then let's click on the task CPU capacity, and then in that we can use 0.5. Yeah. So now we need to create a container. So we need to add a container, not creating a container. So this container is already created by some other person, which I had referred before. So I had watched some video before, and the person had created this container. So let's just use the same thing. So yeah, container name. No, the container name is container of cats, where we need to just make every first word as caps. So container C has caps and O has caps, C and W's, all those things. And then for getting a HTML image, we need to just copy the link, a Docker link. So we will have a Docker link, and I will paste this whole data in the description of this video. So we need to paste this Docker link in this image section. And then we need to give this memory limit as 1024. Soft limit of 1024, and then we can just remind everything same, and then click on add. Yeah. So now go to the down of the page. We can just go on to last. No need to do anything. Yeah. Now we can just click on create. And I also want to say something. If you guys were not getting the success, then you can just repeat the same step again, because for some users, even I face this issue, because if you just try to use this for first time, it is showing like it has failed. But repeat the same process again from starting, then you can just get it again. So no need to just feel any tension. So now click on view task definition. So this is our new task definition. So now from this we can create a task. So go to your cluster. So click on the clusters. Yeah. So now all the cats, the cluster has been created. So click on the all the cats, and then click on the tasks. So tasks. Yeah. Now we are going to run a new task. So run new task. So the task launch type is a Fargate. So we need to use the Fargate, and then operating system as Linux. And then if we just go down a bit, we can just use this cluster VPC. So the cluster VPC will be the default ones. And yeah, click on that. And subnets, we need to choose the first two subnets. First one, yeah, click the first one. And then again, we need to choose the second one. Yeah. Now we need to just go down until last and then run the task. So continuously click on that refresh reload thing, which is over there, so that we can just get that provisioning converting it money. Until then, we can't just run the task. Yeah, it doesn't matter. No need of ticks and all those things. Click on the reload several times. Yeah, can you just pause the video once? Yeah, so we made a mistake, like we copied the Docker link from HTTP. So now let's create the task definition again. So click on the task definition, Fargate, next step. Yeah, container of cats. Okay, so operating system family Linux. Yeah, the task memory of 1 GB and CPU capacity of 0.5. And then click on add container, and then container of cats. C capital container of cats web. W capital. Yeah. Now place the Docker link over there without HTTP. Yeah, 1024. Soft limit of 1024. Yeah. Now create the add the thing. Okay, go on to the last of the page and then create. Okay, click on that view task definition, and then go to your clusters over there towards the left side. Yeah, yeah. Now go to all the cats. Click on the tasks. Now create a run new task. Yeah, Fargate, and then Linux. Yeah, cluster VPC default one, and then take the first two subnets. Yeah, second one also. Yeah, now go on to the last of the page and run the task. And this will run now. Also. On the reload page for several times. So yeah. So now click on that file FF26021. Yeah. And then you can just see the public IP address over there, 35.162. Yeah. Copy that whole thing and paste it in a new tab. So you can just see your web page. This is a thing where we can just create this elastic container. So this container is created by someone, but we can just host that container in any public web page in any domain. So that's the thing which we are going to conclude from this lab. I think this made some sense. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to Works of the College. Thank you.